Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? I hope you all doing well. Welcome to our presentation, and I would like to get your attention about 15 until 30 minutes. So before we start our presentation, let me introduce our members, Erika Aulani Sapitri, Injil Lasari, and Liz Mutariha. So guys, that's it about our member. After that, we will start our presentation. In this presentation, have a title, and this is Analysis of Student Mathematics Creative Thinking Ability at Trigonometric Material. This journal is not our journal, but author is Ian Mariati and Cindy Elsa Parani. Thank you for authors who make this journal so we can presentation it right now. Okay, we will start our presentation with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Table of content. In this presentation, we have 7 content and we will have 7 seasons. The first is abstract, second is background of the research, third is research objective, fourth is literature review, 5 is methods, 6 is findings, and the last is conclusion. Abstract. This study aims to find out the level of mathematical creative thinking ability of students in solving trigonometric problems. This research approach is a qualitative approach of descriptive type. Data collection techniques are carried using test methods, interview, and documentation. Data validity test is done by triangulation technique. Data is analyzed using data reduction, data presentation, and inference. The research instrument used is a test mathematical creative thinking ability. The result of this study from 12 random high school grade 11 students who have taken the test online. As many as 3 people get grade in high categories. As many as 3 people get grade in the moderate category. And as many as 6 people who score in low categories. From the test data and interview, from the data can be known the depth mathematical creative thinking ability of most students of grade 11 random high school in Garut. This grade is said to be very low. Keyword: ability to think creatively mathematical trigonometry.
I am Lilis will talk about risk, background, and objectives. Background of the research, mathematics is one of the base lesson that students really need to facilitate in getting qualified ability to mastery of science and technology. To make it easier for students to understand a subject in mathematics, students are required to be able to have good mathematics ability useful for supporting sensitive progress, knowledge, and technology. Every day, one of them is the ability mathematical creative thinking. This ability very much needed by everyone in solve life problem and to support the effort of science, including knowledge and technology personnel. Next. Research objective. The purpose of this research is to enhance thinking skill creative mathematical students in solve problems related to trigonometry material. Next. The next section is a reader review. Mathematical creative thinking ability. Creative thinking is a mental acting that produce new result of the effort. Mathematical creative thinking ability is the ability of students to understand and solve a problem in mathematical with strategies and ways that vary different so that the creative thinking process can be assured for student mathematical problem solving process director precisely well indicator of mathematical creative thinking ability include the following abilities. First, spring or pronouncing student general many answer method or suggestion for solving problem or question. Second, flexibility student general ideas alternative answer or valid question see a problem from different point of view, increasing the way of approach or way of thinking. Think or hunting student product new and unique each person rank sure you ways make an unusual combination of its form. For laboratorium student develop each product within the details of an objective idea or section so to it become more introduction. Next part, his method will be present by Indi.
Okay, I, Inji Sari, will present about method. This type of research uses a qualitative descriptive methods in which event or phenomena that actually occur. This study aims to describe students' mathematical creative thinking skills on trigonometry material without being given any prior treatment. The research was carried out at the end of the odd semester in December of the 2020-2021 academic year. Conducted online at Class 11 Senior High School, Random Garut District. The object of the research is the student of Class 11 Senior High School randomly, totaling 12 students. Research collected data from the result of tests and questionnaires on the mathematical thinking skill grade 11, while the interviews conducted were semi-structured interviews to strengthen the data findings from the test result. Interviews were conducted on 6 research subjects that have been determined by each group, namely 2 research subjects in the high group, 2 research subjects in medium group, and 2 research subjects in low group. Furthermore, the data analysis stage was carried out by data reduction, which consisted of 3 stages, namely correcting the data result, grouping students into 3, low, medium, and high categories, and conduction interviews. Next. Next, I will explain about findings. On this slide, there is research data consisting of scores and categories. Mathematical creative thinking can be seen from several indicators: fluency, flexibility, originality, elaboration. Discussion of students' mathematical creative thinking for each indicator. For the first one, fluency. Based on the result, the analysis of student answer, student error in this indicator are errors in stating information related to trigonometry material. Second, flexibility. Based on the result of the analysis of student answer, student error in this indicator solved the problem in one way, even took more than one way of solving is asked. Third, originality. Based on the result of the analysis of student answer, most of the student error on this indicator were errors in understanding what the question were instructed to do. Fourth, elaboration. Based on the result of the analysis of student answer, most of the errors in this indicator are errors to the question. Based on the research result, it can be seen that student creative thinking skills still in the low category. Next. The last is conclusion. The analysis of mathematical creative thinking skill carried out by class 11 high school student, seen from student in solving trigonometry question. Those categories as very low. Those students had not been in the question, so they were left. A small number of students were confused as a form of student creative thinking, so that students become more confused in expressing opinions as well as in solving the problem. From the data obtained, it can be seen that each indicator of student mathematical creative thinking abilities is still very low. This data obtained according to the question done by students. Not a few students make mistakes in every question indicator. This is because a provision of creative thinking question is categorized as non-routine question. That's all our presentation. Thank you for your nice attention.